Discover the secrets of natural wellness with the Forgotten Home Apothecary. This beautifully crafted guide brings the wisdom, herbal remedies right to your fingertips, empowering you to take control of your health naturally. Whether you're looking to soothe everyday ailments, boost your immune system, or simply reconnect with nature's healing powers, this book offers clear instruction, time-tested recipes, and expert tips that make herbal medicine approachable for everyone. From calming teas and healing salves to natural cleaning solutions, every page is packed with practical, safe, and effective solutions you can make at home. Perfect for beginners and seasoned herbalists alike, it's more than just a book. It's a companion on your journey to self-sufficiency and vibrant living. If you've ever wanted to replace harsh chemicals with gentle, plant-based alternatives, or simply expand your knowledge of traditional remedies, this is your go-to resource. Get your copy today and start transforming your home into a sanctuary of health and well-being.